Welcome to Switch It Up. Today we're switching it up. We are at Alliance because we made it to the Mecca of all Meccas called Elkhart.
We are here, and I was like, you know what? Alliance has a new toy hauler that I wanted to go see the floor plan.
Yep, so we're gonna jump in this. I don't know if it's the 44 V14, and it's really windy, so we apologize about that, but hey, this is a big deal. They're taking it to the next show, and there's a lot of new little things and gizmos and gadgets.
I just love the layout.
She does love the layout. So we're gonna roll the intro. We're gonna jump in this thing. You ready? Oh, that's good. That's good. You guys are doing great. Roll the intro.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
All right, first things first. You're dealing with a toy hauler. So we all know a toy hauler, we're gonna be 20,000 pounds, so you have 7,000 pound axles, 3 of them. So we know that right out of the get-go. Plus with a toy hauler, you have a couple gas tanks, you have all the gizmos and gadgets. Oh no! Oh, he's in trouble. We come to, we got busted. We got busted.
We're not dancing. We're not dancing.
Yeah. We were interrupted briefly, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's the marketing guy.
Yeah,
he's a
fine.
good dude.
He's fine. He let us dance on top at the Tampa show last year, so come on now.
I will say the staff at Alliance are just amazing.
Every time we've come to do anything or seen anything,
Yeah.
so
Great,
kudos to you
great
guys.
Great
now,
good guys.
we have to go in and get the bells and whistles on the inside.
Yes.
We covered the wheels and the weights and all that fun stuff.
They still have some of our favorite things, the onboard air compressor.
Yeah, they are coming with the lithium-ion battery, and I don't remember how much solar. I think it was 600 watts of solar on the out of the box.
They do have a new window design that opens. I like that.
Good stuff.
And good stuff. Anyway.
All right, we're gonna jump in and get Sheila's final thoughts of things that she was expecting to see.
Okay. We were talking to Jeremiah, and I said, man, I really, because we're in a Grand Design, and I said, I really love this, and they made it happen.
Mm-hmm.
You have to just manually
Flip it over, and then the other one will go on like the seats of it. So, and then
Love this.
yeah, I don't know if that's the final version or not. Gotta get that feedback of those drawers.
Yeah, that, I'd rather just have open shelving.
Like shelves, yeah.
Yeah, because that's not a, I mean,
You're pretty critical, lady.
I mean, it's just kind of wasting space.
it is a little bit of wasted space.
So.
I could put stuff on there versus you just have this little tiny drawer.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that makes sense. You could
Yeah.
use baskets. It'd be a lot easier.
Yeah, yeah. But I do love the light just kicks on when you turn on.
Yeah,
open
motion
the door.
sense.
Yeah.
There's your trash bowl.
This is gonna be a good floor plan.
Yeah.
Pluses or minuses? Give me pluses and minuses.
Okay, pluses, still my favorite that Alliance does is the floor, the tie downs in the floor. Brilliant. The storage that they use up there in the cabinets, brilliant. I love this new floor plan. I think this is gonna be this is gonna go quick. Okay, you want the minuses? The teeny tiny drawers in the pantry.
That's so minor.
Yeah, I could rip those things out.
But you can put
myself.
the washer and dryer back there as well,
Yeah,
and we still
back
have
here
a.
or up there, but this would be a great spot for it. Good size half bath. It's overhead from this side
Yeah.
instead of over here. I think that's great.
Is your kitchen too small? That's the question I have for you.
I knew you were gonna ask me that.
You cook. You're an actual cook.
I know.
Gotta test it out, I guess.
I know. That's the thing. But
You have your 3 points of
You
contact.
do. Everything you need is just literally right here, and this is a good, you know, just.
Push everything off into the
Yep.
trash can.
Yeah, I know. Okay. This is a good one.
Oh, Sheila's thoughts. Do you have like final thoughts for the inside? Because you had so many things that you really like.
Alliance is just a good company. Like
They've stepped up their game.
Yep.
They did. I am still struggling because we have the slide system. They went to a cable slide system. We have the other slide system that is broken on us 2 times now. So there was this debate for a long time whether you do basically the 𝗬𝗏𝐺 slide or the cable slide, and people are like, we don't like cable slides, we want 𝗬𝗏𝐺 slides. But now, after having a break 2 times on us, I almost think that servicing a cable slide is easier on the road. So they went back to make it more manageable on the road, which you don't have to have as tech as much. So there's
I understand that. When we're out and something breaks, you'd like to be able to
fix it yourself. And so the 𝗬𝗏𝐺 slide, man, it's been a challenge, but I like a change. And so they decided to make that change back. So I commend them for trying something new.
Well, the question is are we going to switch it up?
Oh boy, it's time to start walking, people. It's time. I love the air compressor too. It's still one of my favorites. You need that when you're on the road.
The windows.
I don't.
The windows. Those are massive windows that open this way now.
I know.
Lots of cross screens.
I hope you enjoyed today's short little switch it up video. There's a lot of questions that still remain unanswered, but for you to see this new design, we thought it would be just fun to stop in and show it to you real quick.
It's the new Alliance Valor toy hauler.
4413, I think is what they call it.
And I think it was 44.
44? 44? We don't know. We don't know, but it's pretty special. We're out.